You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here, and I know that it's not.
Yep, that's a check engine light. What is up, Crown Vic Crew? Welcome back to another video. I know it has been a long time since I uploaded, but hear me out. It's been 2 weeks since I last uploaded, because I actually just got my car back from the dealership just 3 days ago from this video being uploaded. So you guys are probably like, where the heck did you go? What happened? This and that. So actually, I had to return my car to the dealership because it threw a check engine light, and that check engine light was preventing me from getting my car inspected. I was riding around with a rejection sticker, because when you buy a new car, you have 7 days to inspect it. So it was getting down to like the 5th, 6th day. I was like, you know what, I don't even care if I get a rejection sticker at this point. I'll just get the rejection sticker, go back to the dealership and have them fix it. So I had to bring my car to the dealership. I called them and said, hey, you guys sold me a car. It didn't even pass inspection. So they're like, all right, bring it up as soon as possible. So I brought it up to them. It took them a couple days to diagnose what it was, because it threw a couple of codes. And with that, you got to make sure you fix the right one. So they wanted to make sure it was the right thing that they were going to fix. So it actually ended up being a catalytic converter, which is underneath the vehicle. Which is underneath somewhere over there. Don't really know. But they ended up having to replace that. That was what one of the codes were. I got it myself checked out at AutoZone. They have those free check engine light things. It said it's either an MAF sensor, a catalytic converter, or a CO2 sensor, something like that. It ended up being a catalytic converter, so I'm glad that's out of the way. I'm glad it's fixed. The car runs just like it did when I got her. No weird noises, smell, nothing like that. It never had it. That's why I didn't really think it was the catalytic converter, but they said it could have been in the early stages. And that's one thing I don't like about these new cars, is everything has sensors. Everything's got, you know, all these electronics. With the Crown Vic, it was so much more simple. It's just the Crown Vic, that's it. You know, this, you have sensors for everything. You got the sensor for the tire pressure. My tire pressure sensor was on for the longest time because it was off by like 0.1 psi or something. It'll trigger the sensors. That's one thing I don't like about these cars, the newer cars. I'm sure all newer cars have them, is all these sensors for everything. But I just wanted to let you guys know that it's all fixed. I finally got my car inspected. She's good to go for a whole nother year. Running fine. No more check engine light. Hopefully, fingers crossed, never comes back on. But yeah, so this is just going to be a quick video, quick update video of where I've been. As you guys can see as well, the iconic towel I always put over. I finally got my license plate mount on there. It sticks down a little bit, but it holds on pretty well. I was actually scared of the wind kind of flapping in it and cracking the bumper, because it's only screwed on through the top. But these cars don't come with a license plate holder. Like I said again, when my car was in service, these holes right here were for the push bar, and the license plate was actually attached on the push bar. So these cars don't have a license plate holder. I don't know how the civilian ones are. Maybe they do hang off like that, but I don't know, mine never came with it. I had to literally buy it and screw that one on. But yeah, so just a quick update video of where I was. The car's doing good now. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you guys would have known this weeks ago already. But yeah, I didn't have content to film, and then they were working on my street. They were doing a whole bunch of tree work, so it was really loud. It was rainy one day, so I was actually finally just come out here and give you guys a quick update video. Next thing I'm going to be doing to my car is definitely the tints. Since the car is all fixed up now, she's good to go. Definitely going to go ahead with the tints. Not sure when that will be, but it's going to be soon. And then we're going to get the push bar, definitely for sure. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Just a quick video. I wanted to let you guys know what happened. I want to have a video at nighttime showing how bright these spotlights are. The LED spotlights, obviously I have 2 of them. I was thinking about going to my grandparents' farm and just kind of playing around, messing around with them there. I haven't done a night video in a while, and I think it'd be really cool just to show you guys how bright these are compared to the normal, just regular spotlights. So maybe we'll do that. I was also thinking about really quick getting a mini light bar, LED light bar to match the spotlights behind my grill. Either that or 2 round LED fog lights. So let me know down below. Mini light bar or mini LED light bar or 2 LED round fog lights. Let me know down below what you guys think. I think I'm gonna go with the round LED fog lights, but we'll see. I just wanted to let you guys know this quick little update and where I've been. Expect a night video soon, maybe tonight. I'll try to get it uploaded, because like I said again, those things are really bright and they're really, really cool. So I'm going to leave the video off here. Hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe button. You guys have been killing it. We are so close to 9,000. I can't thank you guys enough for the support. So I will see all of you guys in the next one.